8 Best Times to Drink Water. Did you know that drinking water could be a lifesaver? Pure, clean drinking water does so much to keep your body running smoothly. Find out how to staying hydrated helps protect your health. Want to drink? Want to drink more water to benefit your health? Here are 8 times your body needs drinking water most. 1. Drink water when you first get up. Imagine starting your car in sub-zero temperatures and putting it into gear without waiting for the engine to warm up. That's a disaster waiting to happen. The same is true of the human body. Without water to wake up and turn on the body in the morning, you may be running on empty, especially if you skip breakfast. A glass of cool water right after you wake up tells your body that it's time to get going. Like a gently flowing stream that pushes along debris and rocks, your circulatory system needs fluid to get rid of stubborn free radicals and residue from burned calories used during the night's metabolism. 2. Drink water before a meal. Drinking water before eating helps you feel fuller. That means you'll be less likely to scarf your food down. When you're hydrated, the stomach is also prepared for food. Water wakes up taste buds and moisturizes the stomach lining so brittle or acidic foods won't be uncomfortable. Having a glass of water moistens the mouth and clears out leftover tastes from earlier food, drinks or smoking in anticipation of the coming meal or snack. 3. Drink water when you're hungry. If you're hungry between meals, pour yourself a tall glass of fresh drinking water first to see if you're dehydrated. Sometimes people think they're hungry when they're really just thirsty. Drinking water before a snack or with one will help you feel full faster, helping keep calorie intake in check. 4. Drink water before a workout. Depending on the temperature, humidity and your body's fluid levels, you may need 1 or several 8-ounce glasses of water to protect against dehydration during and after your workouts. Hydration is essential to guard against heat stroke in warm weather and frostbite in cold temperatures, as your body's circulation plays a protective role in both extremes of temperature and needs water to function properly. 5. Drink water after a workout. Following vigorous exercise, you may need to drink a lot of water to replace fluids lost through perspiration and urination. The amount you'll need depends on your weight, health and whether you exercised in hot or humid conditions, especially for long periods, among other factors. Be sure not to drink too much water too quickly or you could bring on stomach cramps. 6. Drink water when you're exposed to germs. If you're around sick people in the hospital or at work and school, drink a little more water than usual to help wash away germs and viruses that your body may have picked up. A well-hydrated body encourages bacterial and viral invaders to move along so they don't settle in and multiply in your system. 7. Drink more water when you're ill. The advice your mom gave you still applies. When you're sick, you need to drink plenty of fluids, including water, to get better. Drinking 8 glasses of water daily, 8 ounces per glass, is still a good goal for most people, but other fluids like tea, juice and soup count toward your total intake, too. 8. Drink water when you're tired. If you're feeling the need for a nap but can't take one, have a glass or 2 of water instead. Did you know that fatigue is one of the signs of dehydration? Because of its ability to move quickly through the body, water can reach your brain and give you, say, a little boost before a big meeting or when you're on deadline, even if you didn't get as much shut-eye as you'd like. Thanks for watching me, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Please don't forget to subscribe. And please stay tuned for more.